Hello. What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video on the Caddy. So we've had a few questions on when the next Caddy video is going to be. It's taken a bit of a while because a few things that haven't really gone our way. However, we found that the Caddy sort of airs out at a funny angle, and one of the reasons for that is because the drive shaft is hitting the chassis. So today we're going to be notching the chassis and hopefully eliminating that problem so that van can air out a bit more equal. Okay, so as you can see, we need to be drilling the area out around here for the drive shaft to have more room when the van is aired out. However, obviously hub assembly and shock is in the way, so what we're going to do, lay under it, get the 3 nuts off for the actual wishbone, drop the wishbone out, and hopefully we'll be able to swing this whole assembly out and get room to actually get the drill in with the hole saw. Okay, so as you can see, wishbone is now out of the way. We've also took the caliper off via the carrier and just hung her out of the way just to get a bit more room, and we have started our little pilot hole there. So hopefully in the next clip we should be drilling this thing, hopefully getting a nice big hole in the chassis.
Just have a look underneath, just make sure they're not going to hit. It should be alright. Make sure they're not going to hit no boost pipes or... Good? Yep.
Be through. That's it. Okay, so after a couple of minutes of with the drill, I'll just show you, we are through. We just need to now cut the rest of the section out, make it a bit nice, and then we will be putting the tube in place to give us a nice curvature and to give us the sort of similar shape that we need to keep the drive shaft out of the way. So we'll just get some bits and pieces ready and show you the next process of just cutting this little section out. Okay, so our pipe is now cut and in place. We just put a slice as a locator in the bottom. What we'll do, once it's welded in, we will cut the remaining out, so it will give us our nice section for clearance at the bottom. We've just cleaned the area up now. Hopefully in the next clip you'll see us welding this thing in.
One eternity later.
Alright, as you can see, it's all welded up now. Wasn't great. Can't really see it from the inside too well, but it's all welded up. Got a jack under it. You can see the drive shaft just slots straight into place now, so we should air out nice and evenly. So looking good. Just got to box it back up, and that's it. Alright, so as you can see, that's it all stone chipped up. It's not great, but it'll do for now, till I decide whether I'm going to repaint the engine bay and stuff like that. If you enjoyed today's video on doing the chassis notch on the Caddy, be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.